So it's actually licensed with Lamborghini. That's amazing. I didn't know Lamborghini did knives. Are they made in Italy?
Made in China.
Oh, okay. That's really cool.
I have something for you if you pay yourself.
No way, you're prepared. You're prepared. Thank you, but I don't think that was necessary. But thank you.
And is it a? Oh, it's like a button lock.
This one unlock.
Oh,
All this is the same.
and then it drops, and then you
Material is different, like
lock it from the top.
this one.
Just like the ignition.
The same glass.
Oh, it's just like the ignition. Oh, that's really cool.
Same.
Let's see.
Push the button.
Oh.
Very smooth.
Look at that.
Very smooth. Very smooth.
Oh, okay. That's really cool. Do you have to open this to open the knife? Oh, so you do this, and then you close that down, and now it can't close, even if you hit this. Okay. That's really cool. And then you lift this up, and then you can push it down, close it. Very cool.